Explaining all the Audi models in simpler terms. Behind each Audi, you're gonna see a emblem kind of like this one. This will basically tell you what type of Audi you have, as well as some of the performance differences. Starting off, if you see the letter A first, this is Audi's base model, including sedans, station wagons, coupes, and hatchbacks. Then if you see the letter S, this means it's the more sportier version of that car. And then if you see RS, this would be the highest performance variant you can get of that car. Now let's say the first letter you don't see isn't an A, it's a Q. This is Audi's way of saying this is a SUV or a crossover. And the SUVs also follow the same rule with the sportiness. So you can find cars like the SQ8 or the RSQ8, which is what you're seeing here. And I think everyone can agree the RSQ8 is one of Audi's best cars. Now, if you see e-tron, this is Audi's fully electric car. And if you see e-tron GT, this is just their highest level performing electric vehicle. Actually, scratch that. The RS e-tron GT is their top performing electric car. Now, finally, if you see S-Line, this is Audi's way of saying it's not a full S car, but it sort of has all the packages it needs. Sort of like BMW putting a M badge next to a non-M car. Now going back to the first car, the A3, you can either get the A3 as a sedan or a sportback. This is Audi's compact car, and you can also get it as a RS model. Next is Audi's average sedan, so the A4. And recently they came out with something called the RS4 Avant. I'm pretty sure Avant is like a extended hatchback sedan type of thing. Followed by the A5, which came in a coupe, sportback, and convertible version. And just like the other Audis, they also came up to the RS versions. The A6 is their larger size of that car. This one also goes up to an RS6 Avant as well. As you go up in numbers, the Audi size gets bigger, so the A7 is bigger than the A6, and it too has its RS variant. And there's the A8, which went up to an S8, not an RS8. Okay, so weirdly enough, I couldn't fit all of the models in one video, so I'll make a part 2 and show you guys all the things that I missed.